Thinking about taking a leap and going solo career-wise, but you're not sure if you've got what it takes? Maybe you're a little scared of the lack of a safety net, you know, the weekly paychecks, the benefits, all that security. Oh boy. I'm here to tell you that you have what it takes, but you have to make 3 mindset shifts before you do. Okay? Let's get into it. Hey, if you're looking for transformational career change, then subscribe to the Whole Worker channel and ring that bell when you do so that you get notified every time I post a new video each week. And stick with me to the end of this video because I've got a free download for you that'll help you take next steps in transforming your boring job into the work you've always wanted to do. Hi, I'm Paul Bishop with Whole Worker, and I'm here to help you bag that job you hate and get to the work you've always been dying to do. We're talking transformational career changes here, not lateral moves in the same industry. I went from 20 years of pastoral ministry working with international nonprofits to the past 20 years owning my own corporate training team, working globally with Fortune 500 clients. So here's 3 mind shifts you need to make to get you out of your corporate coma and going solo. Okay, here's the first mindset shift you need to make. Don't think job, think calling. Job is so 20th century, so actual industrial age thinking. I don't want you there. I want you to think in terms of your calling. Job is also a scarcity mentality. You know, employers have jobs, so you've got to go get that. I don't want you there anymore. You create your own job. You create your own space in the marketplace. Job is also very external because of that. Someone else has a job that you need. Whereas calling is internal. You know, that word has been left sequestered in the religious world. I know because I came out of that world. It's been sequestered in the religious world for a long, long time. We need to adapt it into our business culture. What is your calling? What are you really after? What is the work, the legacy that you really want to leave? So think in terms of calling and not job. That's the first mindset shift you need to make. Okay, the second mindset shift I want you to make is that you are creative. Now, don't tell me, yeah, I can't dance, I can't sing, I can't act. Okay, maybe you can't do any of those things, but those aren't the only creative acts in the world. You are creative. We all have a creative gene. You just have to find it deep down in there. You know, we get that creative gene kind of squashed down, most of us do, through our schooling and our training and maybe even up into our career. We need to revive it. You are a creative. One of my favorite quotes is from Pablo Picasso, who said, "Everyone is born an artist. The trouble is trying to remain an artist as one grows up." Isn't that really true? So what I want you to do is find that creative gene within. Remember, it doesn't have to be classic creativity like dancing or singing or acting. You know, I work with a lot of medical doctors. I train a lot of medical doctors in professional skills. And one of the things that I've discovered about medical doctors is they're tremendously creative individuals. I have met some of the people that have discovered the molecules that we have in our modern day drugs. They are tremendously creative people. So we all have a creative gene. You are creative. Bust that mind shift, change it, and think of yourself as a creative. And the last mindset shift I want you to make is bring your soul to your role. Okay, now here I'll admit we're getting a little spiritual, but you know what? It's a natural progression in each one of us. The reason you probably want to make a transformational career shift is because you've decided you want to work a little bit more with your heart, which is the ultimate stage of the evolution of our work. Think about it. We all begin our work usually doing something manual back in high school and college days. Maybe we flip burgers. That's working with our hands. Then we learn some things in school or maybe trade school or some form of training, and we started working with our heads a little bit more. Now, ultimately, in midlife and beyond, we want to work with our hearts, and that's what we're after here. Bring your soul to your role. You know, creative people, people that are really working with their hearts, are people that have figured out what their message is. You need to do the same. To do that, you need to reflect. To reflect, you need reflection time. So put down your phone and start reflecting. It is not a characteristic. It is not a mode of thinking we take up much these days because we fill our time constantly. So put down your phone and start to reflect. Reflect on what is in your soul. What's your vision? What's your values? What are your passions? What is it that you want to produce? What is your message? Bring your soul to your role, and you will be satisfied in what you do. This is the third mindset shift I want you to make. Hey, what's the toughest mindset shift you have to make? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe I could help you out. Making a transformational career change takes some shifts in our thinking. I hope these 3 ideas help jumpstart that process. But if you'd like to go a bit deeper, I've got a free ebook for you entitled Blend: Why You'll Never Achieve Work-Life Balance and Shouldn't Even Try. It's free for you to download. The link for that is in the show notes below. Hit that Show More button and you'll see the link right below. Now, we've got multiple ways that you can connect with the growing Whole Worker community. You can connect with us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Feel free to hit us up on any of those social media or visit the wholeworker.com site, and there's some free tools, additional free tools there as well. All of those links are in the notes below. Hey, if you like this video, give it a like right now, and as you're doing that, subscribe to the channel as well and ring that bell when you do so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And share this channel with your friends and family as well. I know some of you are already doing that. Hey, if there was something in particular that really jumped out at you in this video, let me know in the comments below. If you found it helpful, just type the word helpful in the comments. I'd really love to hear it. I'm Paul Peugeot with Whole Worker. Thanks for watching.